That's my cat. My cat's hardcore. It has that mouse. The mouse is not, it's almost dead. It's been playing with it. So that's true meaning of cat and mouse. Its mouse is almost dead. It's been playing for like half an hour. My cat's hardcore. It kills chickens. Had a blackbird the other day. Lizards. Had a snake the other day. It's a little cat. Hardcore, always killing something. It's all tame. That's funny as shit. My YouTube video, The True Cat and Mouse. It's awesome. Look at it. It's my real business. I sell cows on the internet, but today I'm pimping my cat out. Can you see it right in front of the cat? See, the cat's laying on it now. Oh, there it is. There's a little mouse. See it? Between its legs. True cat and mouse. I came outside to get some of my pickup and realized, what was my cat doing? He has a mouse. So it's like midnight. Some funny shit. There it is. He has this trick, he throws it in the air. We should do that again. It's pretty funny. He throws it and catches it. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Where'd it go? Did you eat it? Oh, there it is. Anyway, small town fun. The true game of cat and mouse. Throw it in there, throw it there, throw it there. I'm Clay the Hobbits here in El Campo, Texas. I'll put my cat against any cat. It's a little cat. She's spayed. She's like a year and a half old now. She kills birds. She kills a blackbird. How in the world do you kill a blackbird? She sits up in this. We have this swing for our kids. It sits really still. And the bird jumps on birds. So lizard last week. I think some baby chickens. I'm not. She's not really saying. Oh, see it. The mouse is actually still alive. It'll move a little bit. Move around, Mouse. Move around. Anyway, small town fun here in El Campo. Oh! It's like cat playing rugby. Huh? Bye, Clay. I'm going with my mouse. That's funny. Small town fun. Cat and mouse.